This is a great car, Porsche Macan GTS on a 73 plate, 17,000 miles, big spec. It's the GTS, so we've got 2.9 V6, nearly 450 brake horsepower, four-wheel drive, 0 to 60 in 4.5 seconds. Specification, it's in jet black. It's got wonderful styling in Python green. Only a little bit, so on the interior, on the stitching, on the decals, and I just think it works really, really well because the GTS is the sportier version, and just having a little bit of colour, I just think really, really works. Start with the front. PDLS lights, so Porsche Dynamic Lighting System Plus, the best lights you can put on. I think in a four-wheel drive like this, that is a key optional extra. It's got GTS Interior Package, it's got GTS Sport Package as well. It's got Porsche warranty till the end of 2026. So it's got all the things you would want. 21-inch wheels in satin black, lovely red calipers. Decal at the bottom there you can see in Python green, very subtle but nice. Panoramic roof, privacy glass. It is fully de-chromed throughout, so it just sits and looks lovely. And then as we move to the rear, the styling again, it's got sports exhaust, it's got sports chrono, wonderful LED light, this lovely little spoiler which comes out at the top there as well, and then that big diffuser with the quad exhaust system. We'll start in the back. So if I move in, look at this, this is what I'm talking about, this is lovely. So we've got full carbon interior, so you've got the carbon on the door cards, you've got this Python green stitching, you've got Alcantara with a stitching as well, and then you've got the leather and Alcantara two-tone interior with the decorative stitching, Python green on the seat belt, panoramic roof inside as well, which just brightens it all up. How nice is that? It just works, I think, with the colour of the exterior, with that little bit of green, plus the carbon on the interior. It's superb. Into the front, starting with the door card again, carbon fibre, Alcantara decorative stitching. Big one for me, if you look down here, you can tell it's got the best seats with how many adjustments there are. So it's got the 18-way adaptive sports seat. You've got carbon fibre on the sills here. You can see where it says Macan GTS, another paid for option. Tracker fob, it's got a Porsche tracking system. The car's done 16,676 miles. I've just pressed a little button on there. So it's got heated GT steering wheel, which is finished in Alcantara and carbon fibre. Other features. So, if we put it into reverse, full surround camera system, which is paid for as an option. You only get standard reverse camera. Sunroof, as I've mentioned, tilt and sliding sunroof. Car's lovely as well. Look at how much carbon is across there as well. So it goes all the way across the dashboard and over to the passenger side there. You've got things like heated seats, lane assist, blind spot monitoring. It's on air suspension. That's a big one for me. Certainly in four-wheel drives, Cayennes, Macans, I think you want the air suspension because the drive's so much better with that. You've then got all your other features, you know, your navigation, your Bluetooth, your multimedia, all them things you would want, all your USB charging points. Full Porsche history, 16,000 miles, warranty till the end of 2026. Beautiful specification, priced at £73,990. It's got electric folding mirrors as well. Good looking car, that. Really, really good looking car. Porsche Macan GTS, it's going to go live. If you want to contact me, the number is on the screen. I can answer any of your questions. Give me a call direct. Thank you for watching.